Hey guys, watch me fish this lake. I've fished it before once on a 24-hour session. I caught a 12.9 pound mirror carp and I caught some decent bream. Anyway, well, this was a peg and you had like a little carpy hole there that we kept hearing fish splash from. But yeah, this was the actual peg. This is where our rods would be and the bivvy would be set up. And what a view of this lake. Just gorgeous lake, 8 acres in size. Right, first one's going out. First of all, we've got starting off with a Pro System liver 15mm CC more. Came with the bundle, and I've dipped it in the Pro System liver bait booster. Smells disgusting, so I do think the carp will love it this weekend. And I'm going to catapult just some of the pellets above it, and maybe a couple of the top boilies above it, because this one I'm going to focus on the CC more. So let's give it a cast out. Earlier we saw a fish splash just in between them two branches. I'm going to aim for over there. Watch out. Not finding. It's a little restless. There you have it. First one's out. Now, set these other ones properly out. We've just set up, you've got a bivvy behind us with the bed chair in. But we're not properly set up yet. But yeah, gotta get rods out first. Well, these were the rods set out for the night. I casted them out again and baited up some more. Right guys, it is now 8 minutes past 2 in the morning. Had a hell of a bite. Woke up, jumped out of my bed, hammering it down, but got tangled up in all the other rods. But result came, all the other rods are back out, and there is a carp in the net. Big scaly common. Don't know how much to get away, I'm guessing about 11. Hey guys, it's now 4:15. Dad's asleep now. I've been up since that last bite. We keep getting a couple of little knocks on that left-hand rod, but nothing to pick it up for. Still hammering it down. And yeah, hopefully we'll get some up. We're here till 4 o'clock tomorrow. So yeah. Hey guys, now 5 o'clock. Yep. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm just getting the rods a recast, turn the night lights off, checked up on the fish that he's all okay. We're gonna get it out when my dad wakes up. So yeah, get some pictures of that, slip it back, and yeah. Here at Barnstone Lakes on peg 15, we caught it at about 5 to 2 last night, in the net for about 5 past 2, and yeah, we've just weighed it, comes in at 12 ounce 14. 12 ounce 14.
12 pound.
12 pound 14, yeah, not 12 ounce. So here you go, here is the fish. Caught it on the Parker bait, show special at Mulberry. Last time we were here, right, last time we were here, we caught one that was 12 pound 9 ounces. So this is my new PB for this lake. We did think it was going to be a bit smaller. We thought it was going to be 11 pound. Anyway, here is the fish. Gorgeous fish. These were a couple more pictures of the fish that I got. It's a really nice common, and this is my dad holding the fish, and it's got beautiful mouth too. We got a nice safer release on the fish. Now we just got to hope for some more bites, and fingers crossed we'll get one. Have a fish on. I don't think it's a bream, put it that way. So I think it'll be the second carp of this section. Not even got a look at the fish yet, it's definitely keeping its depth. Feels like a good one. Not sure about size yet. But yeah, let's hope we can get this thing in the net. Got a nasty knot in the main line, so we're gonna have to sort that out in a minute. Just give it its depth. There you go, look at that drag going. Well, the fish is in the net, and I don't know about you, that looks like a new PB to me. That looks about £15. What are you saying, Sophie?
It's a good fish, mate. It's a good fish.
Let's look at the tail, and it looks like an old school mirror. Right, well, we'll get a video out when we are in our hands.
Wow.
My new PB is £18.11.
£18.
Well, guys, we've now got an £18 on the bank. £18, 11 ounces zeroed. My new PB. Just look at that thing. We caught this on the CC More Pro System Liver pop-up. Dipped in the Pro System Liver bait booster with the boilies and pellets to match with it. Just scattered around with a slingshot. And this is a result. I mean, what a fish. Look at this. See if it'll let me pick it up now.
Oh.
Really not ready to be picked up.
Well done. Right.
These are a couple more pictures of the fish, and what a beauty it is. £18, 11 ounces, my new PB. Right, guys, we just packed up the van. We're about to head off now. But what a trip it has been. Best 24-hour session of my life. Broke my PB. Beautiful common. What can I ask for much more? Right, well, I'll see you in the next video.